Okay, so now we've got to do the same thing with our adaptive component inside of Revit that we've already done in the Dynamo version, but just with polygons. So one of the first things, we're going to actually, now we need to get back to the points that were on this polygon. So I'm going to switch this back. I've moved the surface flat, but instead I'm going to go all the way back to the polygons and move those flat. So I'm just going to reconnect these now so we have these polygons here. Because what I want to do is take these polygons and find their points. So I'm going to work backwards again. So I'm going to do polygon points. And it shows up here right away so I can grab it. So I'm going to feed the geometry of the polygons into this. And now I have those points coming back out of it. So now I have the same points in the same way that I was doing over here with the adaptive component by points. So I'm just going to pull this. I'm just going to continue to pull this out so it's close to where we want to work with it. So we're feeding it with points. And what we're going to do is just another list create. So I'm going to do list create. And we're going to add actually just 2 points. So I'm going to connect this to one of them. And connect this. So we just keep adding those lists together. And connect that to points. Run started, run completed. And now if we click back here, what we have is our array laid out in 3-dimensional space. And those are actually laying flat now. So we really made quite a move towards manipulating all of our geometry here. I'll go ahead and save this project. So if I zoom in here now, you can see we have all of the varying adaptive components. Let's see, we have 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 11 wings, and we have 16 presented, and that's a little bit confusing here. I'm not exactly, oh, that's because we have the mirrored, maybe the mirrored components in here. We should only have 11. I'm going to go back and review that, and then, so when I'll figure out what the problem is there. I want to labor you with where we got so many polygons from. Let's see where we're picking up the polygons. So let's see how many polygons we have here. We have 11 polygons here. So then we get and manipulate them. I don't know how we get to 16. That's a little bit confusing to me. Let me see what's going on over here, because we don't really have 16 elements to move the polygons to. I'm going to have to troubleshoot that for a minute. So we'll pick that up in the next clip.